Hello everyone, let's see how to trace the curve x cube plus y cube is equal to 3xy. This curve is also called volume of discards. Yes, so for tracing a curve, we always first find the point symmetry. After that intercept. After that tangent at origin or tangent at any other point. After that asymptote, or we can say tangent at infinity, and then nature and shape. Okay, so for this curve, how can we trace this curve? Let's see. So equation of curve is what? X cube plus y cube is equal to 3xy. Yes. Okay. So for tracing this curve, evaluate first point, that is symmetry. So what is symmetry? There are four subpoints in symmetry. When we say that symmetry about x-axis, symmetry about x-axis. Yes. If there are even powers of y, then we can say symmetry about x-axis. When we say symmetry about y-axis, if there are even powers of x, then we can say symmetry about x-axis. Symmetry about if even powers of y, then we can say symmetry about y-axis. Yes. Third point, symmetry about origin. When we say symmetry about origin, if we replace x by minus x and y by minus y, then we can say symmetry about origin. And fourth point is symmetry about the line x is equal to y. This is line x is equal to y. Suppose this is x axis, this is y axis, and we say symmetry about the line x is equal to y. In this case, we have to replace x by y and y by x. If we get equation remains constant, or if equation remains same after changing or after interchanging x and y, then we can say this is the symmetry about the line x is equal to y. In this case, see, what is our equation? Equation is x cube plus y cube is equal to 3xy. If we replace x by y and y by x, so I will get here y cube plus x cube is equal to 3y x, means equation remains same. So we can say in this case, this is the symmetry about line y is equal to x. So we get this point. So in exam, you have to write only this fourth point. Yes, that is symmetry about the line y is equal to x. Yes. Now the second point is intercept. How can we find intercept? If we want to find intercept along x-axis, x-axis, so we have to put, what is equation of x-axis? Equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. So in given curve, put y is equal to 0. So here our curve is what? Our curve is x cube plus y cube is equal to 3xy. So put here y is equal to 0. You will get x cube is equal to 0. So this implies x is equal to 0. So along y-axis, what is equation of y-axis? X is equal to 0. If we put x is equal to 0 in given equation of curve, that is x cube plus y cube is equal to 3xy. Put here x is equal to 0. So you get y cube is equal to 0, or this implies y is equal to 0. So here is only one intercept, that is 0, 0 is the only one intercept. 0, 0 is the only one intercept. Yes. So there is no another point we are getting here. So 0, 0 is the only one intercept. So third point is nature at origin, or nature of tangents. So we can find in this case tangent at origin, tangent at any other point, but here we didn't get any point other than 0, 0. Yes. So we have to find only nature at origin. So our given equation is what? X cube plus y cube minus 3xy is equal to 0. So here lowest degree term is what? Here degree of first term is 3, degree of second term is also 3, and degree of third term is 2. That is power of x is 1, power of y is 1. So total degree is 2. So lowest degree term is minus 3xy. So equate lowest degree term is equal to 0. You will get x is equal to 0 or y is equal to 0. So if there is point at origin, means curve passing through origin. Yes, so we have to necessarily find that the tangent at origin, which is x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. So origin is a node. Origin is a node, or we can say double point. Origin is a double point. Yes. Now we have to find tangent at infinity. To find tangent at infinity, what we have to do? We have to consider one equation. Tangent at, or we can say asymptote. For finding asymptote, what we have to do? We have to consider y is equal to mx plus c. Here, this is the equation of straight line. Here c is intercept and m is slope. Yes, so you can write this equation as, or you can simply put this y is equal to mx plus c in the given equation of curve, that is x cube plus y cube is equal to 3xy. So put instead of y this above equation. So you will get x cube plus mx plus c bracket cube is equal to 3x, and again put value of y, that is mx plus c. If you take cube of this term and if you solve and equate both sides, so you will get value of m and value of c. So here you will get value of m is what? Minus 1, and you will get here value of c is minus 1 again. Yes, value of m is minus 1, again value of c is minus 1. So your equation is what? Y is equal to, your equation will be y is equal to m. M is what? Minus 1. So minus x minus 1. This is the equation of straight line. You will get equation y is equal to minus x minus 1, or you can write this equation as x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0, and this is your asymptote. In many cases this type of asymptote is called oblique asymptote. Oblique asymptote. Yes, this is oblique asymptote. Okay, so see, we have find symmetry, intercept, nature at origin, asymptote, and again we have to find nature and shape of the curve. Nature and shape of the curve. Before that, there is also one point we can find, that is region of absence. So how can we find region of absence? See, region of absence. Yes, region of absence. Yes, when we find region of absence, if in the given equation of curve there are even powers of x and y, then and then we can find region of absence. But in our given example, there is no even powers of x and y. There are, here 3 is odd power of x, here 3 is odd power of y. Yes, and here is power of x is 1, here power of x is y. No even powers. So we can say in this case, or in this example of curve, here region of absence is not possible. Is not possible, because to find region of absence we want x and y has even powers. Okay, so fifth point is what? Nature and shape of the curve. Let's see, nature and shape of the curve. The curve has a loop in the first quadrant. Why? Because we get node. Here we get node. Yes, it passes through the origin, which is a node. We know our only intercept is 0 0. 0 0 means origin, and curve passing through origin, and we get asymptote. That's why asymptote means tangent at infinity. Infinity means unbounded curve. The curve is unbounded. Yes, to the two branches outside the loop and approach the asymptote x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So see this curve. See, here is x axis, here is y axis. Okay, and here is 0 0 origin point. Okay, so because of node we are taking shape like this, like a loop in the first quadrant. Okay, and if we draw the line x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0, so we get this line like this, parallel to this line, and this name of this line is x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. To draw this line, what we have to do? We have to do, first put y is equal to 0, we get point x is equal to minus 1, and put x is equal to 0, we get y is equal to minus 1. So here is 1 point what? 0 minus 1, and here is point minus 1 0, and for drawing a line we want, or we require only 2 points. So this is the line. Okay, so along this line, because this line is asymptote, so these branches are going towards infinity, this line of the curve going towards infinity. Yes, so such type of curve we can draw by using or by solving all these points: symmetry, intercept, nature at origin, asymptote, region of axis, and nature and shape of the curve. To solve such type of example in exam, what we have to do? We have to only write symmetry about the line y is equal to x. Not necessary check the symmetry about along x axis, along y axis, or along origin. Okay, now find intercept points. Okay, nature at origin, write like this for exam purpose. Okay, so this is the curve equation. How can we trace this such type of curves if we give this example in exam? Okay, if any doubt, ask again. Thank you.